dealing with like self-identity issues and just being content with living an ordinary life. And maybe even just accepting that I am just ordinary. I have found recently that I have been really struggling with separating the difference between worth and identity. I seem to combine them, that my identity is my worth and my worth is found in my identity. And I am really struggling with just being ordinary, and that ordinary is not my identity or my worth. So trying to separate the two of those has been very difficult for me lately. But I have decided to really try to sit in this and be okay with being ordinary. So this is what I have discovered. My identity is not a content creator, writer, author, even wife or mother. It's simply just His chosen, God's chosen. We woke up to snow!
Oh my gosh, Mom.
Like, it's really snowing. Ooh, it's cold.
Look at that, Mom. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Look at you. You're full of snow.
I can see that. It's all on my
No. Covered in snow already. Dozer. Shh. Quit being so noisy. I can't believe it's snowing this bad already. Look at Dozer.
No. Stop.
Look at you. Look at Hanks. Look at you guys. Look at you. You're gonna go up in the house like this. It is really snowing. It's a snow day.
Wanna go where the snowing is?
We need a little more snow. That means we're gonna put something yummy in the crock pot and snuggles. We decided to have a warm and cozy day today and wear our pajamas and our robes and our slippers for the day while we put something yummy in the crock pot and made some soup for lunch. My whole life, I've been trying to look for an identity. What am I? And in that identity, what am I worth? Do I measure up to whatever it is that I'm supposed to be? Who told me I had to be something to matter? I'm not sure, but there has always been this deep-rooted need to be someone successful at something that would define my worth and anchor me in a true self-identification. The need to meet someone and shake their hand and say, "Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm an insert identity here," and truly mean it has been a driving force in my life for as long as I can remember. This has brought me countless nights of no sleep, mental torment, and deep disappointment. I feel like a constant failure. I wrestle with this need to be somebody in a sea of somebodies daily. I'm tired of spinning my wheels. I'm fed up with constant disappointment. Who am I proving myself to? Who am I trying to convince I'm something special? Where are they? I finally see they is me. When will I ever be enough for me? I can't, I won't do this to myself anymore. I surrender. I throw my hands up and surrender to the person I am. His, and that's enough. If I'm never more than a faithful disciple of Christ, who loves her family fiercely, tends to her home with joy, has a deep connection to nature and creativity, and loves big, I'm enough. My humble, simple, seemingly unimportant life is enough. My life is still full of worth. I'm enough. I carry worth even if I go to my deathbed being nothing more than just simply his. How many followers I have does not define me. How many books I write or sell does not define me. How much money I make or how successful I am in the world's eye view does not define me. How much I weigh or weight I lose is not my worth. My talents and gifts do not make me, so they can't break me. I'm just simply me. What I am is the great I ams, his disciple, his beloved, and the significance that is held in those simple titles cannot be measured. The depth of weight that those words of identity hold cannot be fathomed by incarnate minds. I have decided that enough for me. My identity is found in Jesus, simply as a child of God. And that is enough. And under that umbrella, being a mother, a housewife, a homemaker, a nature lover with lots of gifts and talents are all extra bonuses, cherry on top, if you will. I'm enough just being a simple child of God. So today I decide to sing in confidence my adoption song. I carry your name. You're my family, Lord. You are where I belong. this mean? It means I'm defined by Christ. My ordinary life is grand and chock full of special moments that are not measured by worth, but by love. I choose to love my life. I choose to accept and love me. So bring on the ordinary. I'll make every moment of it special. At the end of my life, I will have a treasure trove of beautiful moments and experiences that can be called anything but ordinary. My life matters, and so does yours. So throw caution to the wind and live and love fiercely, and tell yourself, these are the days and the moments of my life.
Dozer.
So I'm going to end the video here. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I just ask that you would give this video a big thumbs up and, leave me a comment down below. It really helps my channel with the engagement, and it helps YouTube to recognize the engagement and push my video out to other people like you. And I also wanted to talk to you guys about something too, that I do have memberships to my channel. And originally I had it as a book club, but I've gotten so many people who've asked, I really want to join your channel, but I'm really not into the book thing. So I talked to the people who have joined my channel, and we've decided that we're just going to make it a fun place to be. So if you do join my channel, you get a chat room, so to speak, that's just with myself and other members that you can use all throughout the week. Every Saturday at 10 a.m., I have a live chat where I call you guys so that we're all on the screen together. It isn't a one-way conversation like it is right now. I get to see you, you get to see me, and all the other lovies that are a member of my channel. and we get to have an open chat every Saturday at 10 a.m. And I'm also going to offer early access to some of my videos. So if you join my channel, those are your perks. Plus, when I do my live streams on Wednesday and stuff, you guys get little badges by your name and little emojis that I made for you guys and stuff. There's all kinds of perks that go to this. So if you would ever be interested in joining my channel, the join button is right next to the subscribe button. I encourage you to do it, and all of these perks will be yours. But if you do not join my channel, it doesn't change anything. You're still a lovey. You're still my gal pal till the end. You'll still get all the same content. Nothing changes. Joining my channel cost, I think $2.99, I think is what YouTube has it as, $2.99, and you'll get those perks. But if you just subscribe, it doesn't cost anything. You're just getting a regular YouTube channel, and you'll see all of my stuff. It just won't be early access. That's all. The only perks to joining my channel is a private chat room where you can chat with myself and all of the other lovies all throughout the week, and you'll get early access to my videos, and then I guess it's like a private chat with myself and other lovies every Saturday at 10 a.m. But if that doesn't interest you and you just want to, just be a subscriber of the channel, that is just as wonderful and helps me out just as much. And I appreciate you too. It's just something out there that if you want a little bit more Missy in your life or a little bit more in depth into my life, it is available. But if you're not interested, that's fine, and it doesn't matter. So I just wanted to throw that out there. And I also wanted to throw out that I am really going to try for the next upcoming months here to do more quality videos over quantity. I will always have my Wednesday live streams at 10 a.m. I encourage you to come. Me and the ladies that do Wednesday live stream, I call it Word Wednesday, we have a blast. If you're able to come on at 10 a.m. on Wednesday, we have so much fun. We giggle and TT and laugh. We have so much fun. So if you can do that, I encourage you to come. And I'm definitely always going to have that. And I'm going to try to do at least 2 videos a week with that. So it'll be 3 basically uploads a week. And I'm going to try very hard to do quality videos over quantity. So for me, it's not about how many videos I get out a month, but the quality of videos that I get out. So I just wanted to put that out there at the end of this. And like I said, if you really did enjoy this video, it would mean so much if you would give it a thumbs up. If you're brand new here, maybe subscribe if you think this channel is for you. Become part of the Lovey Tribe. That's what I call my subscribers, because to me, you're more than a subscriber. You are a Lovey Tribe, and we are a tribe that loves fiercely, and you are accepted here. So have a great day. I'll be talking to you very soon in the next video. As I always say, until then, take care of you. Know I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. You are loved so big. You're part of the Lovey Tribe. Until then, bye guys.